Okay, if you've ever wanted a caramel slice that tastes like a bakery upgrade, this is it. Brown butter pretzel crust, a thick condensed milk caramel with tahini and maple, and a silky white chocolate top that slices clean. Stay with me, this one is unreal. Everything here is simple to find, nothing weird. The magic is how we layer it. Crisp crust, thick caramel, then a soft set white chocolate ganache. First, set yourself up for success. Line an 8-inch pan with a parchment sling. That's how we lift the whole slab out later for perfect slices. Now brown the butter. This is where the crust gets that deep, toasty flavor. Keep stirring until you see golden flecks and it smells nutty, then pull it off the heat. Pretzels go in the crust, not chunky, more like fine crumbs. They give you that salty snap that keeps the base crisp under caramel. Stir it together until it looks like damp sand. If it feels pressable, you're perfect. This crust is shortbread style, rich, sturdy, and not too sweet. Press it in firmly, then bake until the edges turn golden. Let it cool for a few minutes. We want the crust set before the caramel hits. Here's the heart of it, sweetened condensed milk caramel. Keep the heat medium-low and stir the whole time. In about 8 to 10 minutes, it thickens and starts pulling from the pan. Off the heat, stir in tahini and vanilla. This is the twist. It doesn't taste sesame. Why? It tastes like caramel got deeper, richer, and less sugary. Pour it right onto the crust and spread it fast. Tap the pan to level it, then chill about 45 minutes just until it firms up. For the topping, use chopped white chocolate from a bar, not chips. Hot cream goes over the chocolate, and we let it sit for 2 minutes before stirring. Stir until silky, then pour it on. Before it sets, pretzels, toasted sesame, and a little flaky salt. That salty crunch on top makes the whole thing. Chill it 2 to 3 hours overnight is even better. For clean cuts, use a hot, dry knife and wipe between slices. You'll get those sharp bakery layers. And that's it, my bold white chocolate caramel slice with condensed milk. If you want the full recipe with US and metric measurements, I dropped the link in the first pinned comment, or head to nobakedessertslab.com. Like and subscribe for more clean slice bar desserts.